Question number 1 from section F. Find the Lesper's parsley index number using the following data for the year 2015 by taking the year 2014 as a base year. Also find Fisher index number and interpret it. Now for this, in question here their information is given. The 4 items are there. For the base year, price is given and total expenditure. And if we have to find out Lesper, Fishers or parsley, we need a quantity, and here in the question expenditure is given, so have to convert. Hope you remember the formula. That is, if you need a quantity, take the total expenditure, divide by price, you will get the quantity of the base year, and same you have to do for the current year. That is, if you need a quantity, take the total expenditure and divide with the price. If you want the base year Q0, keep the price P0. Same will do for the current year. To find out the quantity, that is Q1 of the current year, you need total expenditure divide by P1. This is how you will find out. I'll show you in detail. Let's take all the information which is given in the question. Here I took the items and the price of the base year and price of the current year. And for quantity, here we'll take total expenditure divide by P0. If you need a Q0, यानी कि आपको quantity base year की चाहिए, तो आपको price भी base year का ही divide करना पड़ेगा with the total expenditure. So here the total expenditure given in the question is 2 to 4. Take 2 to 4, divide with 16, you will get 14. That is base year quantity. Next, for the rice, take the total expenditure 140, divide with P0, that is 35. Here you get 4. Next, take the total expenditure 200, divide with P0 100. Here we get 2. Next, total expenditure 432, divide with the price of base year. Here we get quantity of the base year. That is our total quantity of the base year. In the same way, we'll find out the quantity of the current year. Now the quantity of the current year is 270 divided by 18. 270 divide by 18, here we get 15. Next, 200 total expense divide with the price of current year, here we get 5. That is 40, sorry, not 400. Next, 360 divide with 120, and here the answer is 3. Last, 600 total expense divide with the price of the current year, that is 120, and here the quantity is 5. Now the formula, here you can see the formulas are ready: Lesper's, parsley and the Fishers. So as per the Lesper's formula, I need sigma P1 Q0 and sigma P0 Q0. These are the 2 columns. Now to get the P1 Q0, first take the P1 column, multiply with Q0, means 14 multiplied by 18, we get 252. 4 multiplied by 40, 160. 2 multiplied by 120, 240, and 4 multiplied by 120, here we get 480. Get the total 1132. In the same way, if I need a P0 Q0, here the columns have to be multiplied, that is 16 multiplied by 14, we get 224. 35 multiplied by 4, here we get 160. 100 multiplied by 2, 200, and 108 multiplied by 4, that is 432, and the total is 996. Next is P1 Q1. Here P1 column will get multiplied with Q1, that is 18 multiplied by 15, 270. Now this is for the parsley's formula. Next is 40 multiplied by 5, that is 200. 120 multiplied by 3, that is 360. 120 multiplied by 5, 600, and the total is 1430. Next is P0 Q1, that is P0 column will get multiplied with the Q1 column, that is 16 multiplied by 15. Here we get 240. 35 multiplied by 5, 175. 100 multiplied by 3, 300. 108 multiplied by 5, that is 540, and the total is 1255. So after getting the total, very simple, just take them all into the formula. For Laspers, we'll take P1 Q0 total as a sigma P1 Q0, that is a total 1132, and sigma P0 Q0 is 996 into 100, and out of this calculation we get 113.65 for the Laspers. Next is the partially. For sigma P1 Q1, take the total of this column P1 Q1, that is 1430. 1430 divide by the column P0 Q1, that is 1255. Get them divide, then multiply by 100. You will get 113.94. Now after getting the total of Laspers and Fishers, Laspers and partially, take for the Fishers information, keep into the formula Laspers under root 113.65 multiply by the partially 113.94. Get them multiply, will get 12949.281. Get the root, remove the root for this, that is 113.79. Now for the interpretation, just take 113.79 minus 100, here 13.79% increase in current year as compared to base year. This is how we'll make a solution for the question number 1 from the section F. Moving to the next question number. The quantity consumed and the total expenditure of the 4 different items are as given below. Find partially and Fisher index number for the year 2015 with respect to the year 2013. Now year 2013 is less than 2015, so this will be our base year and 2015 will be our current year. Now check the information. Here the 4 items are given, and out of price here they have given total expenditure. Again the formula just change, like to find out price of base year, that is P0, will take total expenditure divide by Q0. You will get the price for the for the base year, and for the current year, that is P1, take total expenditure divide by Q1. You will get the price for the current year. First take the information in table for writing it properly. Here I already wrote the formula. So let's find out price for the base year and price for the current year. So here we start. For finding the price of the base year, we'll take the total expenditure 360 divided by 60. 360 divided by 60. Here we get 6. Next 160 divided by 10. 160 divided by 10 will get 16. 480 divided by 15. We get 32. Next 336 divided by 3. That is 112. Here we found price of the base year. In the same way we will find out the price of the current year. Take the total expenditure, that is 275, divide by quantity, that is 275 divided by 25. we get 15. Next, 416 divided by 20. Here we get 20.8. 613.2. 613.2 divided by 6. Here 102.2. Next is 400 divided by 2.5. Here we get 160. So here all the information is ready. Q0, P0, Q1, P1. Now out of this, we'll just take out the multiplication. For P1, Q0, we'll take a multiplication of P1 with Q0. But before we go, just find out what they ask you to find out. Partially indexed number as well as the Fisher index number. If you check the formula of Fisher index number, we also need the Lasper's information, that is sigma P1 Q0 and sigma P0 Q0. So they ask, अगर वो पूछेंगे या ना भी पूछे, still हमको Lasper's का information find out करना ही है. So again we are going to calculate this two column. Rather they have not asked Lasper's, but still we will find out as we need in the Fisher index number. So let's start the calculation for P1 Q0, that is this P1 gets multiplied with this column, that is 60 multiplied by 15. We get 900. 10 multiplied by 20.8, that is 208. 15 multiplied by 102.2, that is 1533. 3 multiplied by 160, we get 480. Just take the total of this, that is 3121. For the next column P0 Q0, so this two column will get multiplied. 60 into 6, 360. 10 into 16, 160. 15 into 6, that is 480. Then 3 multiplied by 112, that is 336. Next we need is P1 Q1. So this two column will get multiplied, that is 25 multiplied by 15. We get 375. 20 multiplied by 20.8. Here we get 416. 6 multiplied by 102.2, that is 613.2. 2.5 multiplied by 160. Here we get 400. Now the total of this is 1336, and total of P1 Q1, that is sigma P1 Q1, that is 1804.2. The last column remain is P0 Q1. So P0 multiply with the Q1 column, that is 6 multiplied by 25. We get 150. Next 16 multiplied by 20, that is 320. 32 multiplied by 6, that is 192. 112 multiplied by 2.5, that is 280. And here the total is 942. Now out of this information, let's keep all the information in table, in formula. P1 Q1. Here P1 Q1 is 1804.2 and P0 Q1, that is 941. Multiply by 100. Get them divide first, then multiply by 100. Here you get 191.53. Next, to find out Fisher index number, here we'll take sigma P1 Q0, that is this column 3121, divided by P0 Q0, that is 1336, multiplied by sigma P1 Q1, that is 1804.2, divided by P0 Q1, that is this column 942, then multiply by 100. So now the multiplication of 3121 with 1804.2, here we get 5630908.2, and the multiplication of 1336 with 942, we get 1258512. Multiply by 100, get them divide. Here we get 4.4742 multiplied by 100. Remove the root of this, you will get 2.1152 multiplied by 100. The answer is 211.52. Next, question number 3. Compute the Fisher index number from the data given below about the 6 different items. Now here with the 6 different items, you can see the units are given. Remember the unit? It should be 1 unit, and in the row it should be equally distributed. Now as per the given information, the items has been distributed in the one column, and from the unit we'll take, you can see for the item A, 20 kg is the unit, and for 20 kg the price is 600 and 880. We have to convert this 20 kg into 1 kg. For quantity we can take the kgs, like 5, the quantity is 5 kg or the 12 kg, that we can take it directly. Here you can see the table where unit I have kept it empty, the base year and the current year. Here 2013 will be our base year and 2015 will be our current year. So now first I will take the quantity 5 and 12 from the question, and here we are going to make into 1 kg. So to find out the price, we will remember the information. For 20 kg it is 600, for 1 kg how much? So the cross multiplication, 1 multiplied by 600 divided by 20. Here I will show you. For 20 kg it shows 600. For 1 kg how much? This already I shown you in the last exercise. So here it would be cross multiplication, 1 multiplied by 600 divided by 20, or you can directly take 20 kgs, like 600 divided by 20, you will get the answer directly rather than going with this equation. So here the price in 2013 will be 30. Next is here for 880 divided by 20, we'll find out 880 divided by 20, here we get 44. So directly take for the price for the current year 44. So here we complete with the item A. Moving to the next item B, where the information is given in quintal and you can see the quantity is given in kg. So we'll convert quintal into kg. Here kg, where the quantity is already given 10 and 12, that is 10 and 12, directly keep it, and you can see the informations, that is for the price it is given 1600 and 2400. Now for this, remember 100 kg is equal to 1 quintal, so we'll divide 1600 with 100. So here we'll get the answer 16, and 2400 divided by 100 will get 24. Hope you remember the all important points. Here I am just going to write down to show you which has been divided by 100 and this has been divided by 20. Next is item C, where the information is given in kg. So price are ready, but the quantity is given in grams. Now here 1000 grams is 1 kg. So here we'll divide with 1000. So let's write down this. So for item C, which we are going to convert into the 1 kg, and the quantity divide here 1200 divided by 1000, we get 1.2. Price will be written as it is for the 1 kg. See, the information is given for 1 kg only. Again for the quantity 2000 grams divided by 1000, here we get 2 in the quantity and the 75 for the price of the current year. That's it. Moving to the next D, which is given in liter, where the quantity is given 30 liter and 36 liter. If the no number is given, it means this is the price of 1 liter. So let's write down directly liter, where the quantity is 30 and 36 and the price is 52 and 32. You can see here. Next is item E, where the measurement is given in 1 meter. So quantity 12 meter and 20 meter and the price is 8 and 12. That we can write down directly as no number is written over here. 12, 8, 20 and 12. Next is dozen. The unit is given in dozen and the information is given in pieces of quantity. So let's convert dozen into pieces. If we are converting, we can write down directly the quantity as it is given in the question, that is 20 and 16. But for the year, for the price we'll convert it that for one piece is how much. So for this, here we'll divide 30 with a 12, as dozen means a 12 pieces, remember. So 30 divided by 12, here we get 2.5, and 36 divided by 12, here we get 3. So here all information is ready for the base year as well as the current year. Now we'll just calculate, that is P1 with Q0. So this P1 is going to multiply with the Q0 column, that is 5 multiplied by 44. Here we get 220, 10 into 24, that is 240, 1.2 multiplied by 75, that is 90, 30 into 32, here we get 960, 12 multiplied by 12, that is 144, 20 into 3, 60, and here the total is 1714, that is sigma P1 Q0. Next is P0 Q0. Now here we'll multiply this two column. 5 multiplied by 30, that is 150, 10 into 16, 160, 1.2 multiplied by 60, that is 72, 30 multiplied by 52, here we get 1560, 12 into 8, that is 96, and 20 multiplied by 2.5, here we get 50, and the answer is total 2088, that is sigma P0 Q0. Next column is P1 Q1. So this two column is going to multiply, that is 12 multiplied by 44, here we get 528, 12 multiplied by 24, that is 288, 2 multiplied by 75, that is 150, 36 multiplied by 32, that is 1152, 20 multiplied by 12, that is 240, 16 multiplied by 3, 48, and the total is 2406, and that is our sigma P1 Q1. Last column, that is P0 Q1, means this P0 will multiply with Q1. So this 2 is going to multiply 30 into 12, 360, 16 into 12, 192, 60 into 2, that is 120, 52 multiplied by 36, 1872, 20 multiplied by 8, 160, 2.5 multiplied by 16, that is 40, and here the answer is 2744, that is sigma P0 Q1. So after getting this, as in this question they have only asked Fisher index number. So here the formula is ready. We are just going to put into the calculation in the formula, that is 1714 divided by 2088 multiplied by 2406 divided by 2744 into 100. Now let's calculate this too. Here we get 4123884 and multiply 2088 with 2744. Here we get 5729472 into 100. Get them divide. Here 0.7198 into 100. Remove the root, that is 0.8484 into 100, and the answer is 84.84. Here we complete question number 3. Moving to the next question number 4.